Thing we got to do, y'all, is start off by removing this upper trim, y'all. You get clips all around the edge, and then it should just be able to pull right out. Then once you get through, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all got to get to with the 4 screws around the screen, y'all. Well, I got it out. It's best to try to use the thing that you would use to get your fender liner out if y'all do got this sitting around, and then something like this if y'all got, or a flathead and something else. Without y'all, like I said, y'all see the clips just come right out around the top. Now we got 1, 2, 3. We got just 3 because it looked like somebody was missing one of my screws, y'all. So we got just 3 screws holding it in. The best way you're gonna be able to do to get the cords to match up, y'all, is just do this. You match the cords. So you see the gray, go with the gray. The biggest cord, go with this biggest port. Then the yellow, go with this yellow. And the white, go with this white, y'all. So you pretty much just match up the cords. And then this last red one, I go with this red one right here. And as y'all can see, we got it functioning. What's going on with YouTube? It's your boy 345 German in today's video, man. As y'all boys can see, we got EMO outside once again, man. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a mod video, man. So we're gonna be installing a 2019 Dodge Charger Scatpack Unconnect screen, y'all. So we got a Unconnect from a 2019 Charger Scatpack. So they gonna have the updated performance pages and SRT modes, if y'all know what I'm trying to say, compared to anything from a 2015 through 18. Y'all know that the 2019s and above get an updated screen with same features, but it just get a newer look, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and swap that out with our 2016 one, y'all, and see if we can get these updated performance pages and SRT modes, stuff like that, man. So we're gonna go ahead and give y'all a rundown on how to take it out and put in a new one, man. But I hope y'all boys make sure y'all watch this video to the end, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, man, let's go ahead and hop straight into this video, man. Again, like I said, this is a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT Plus. As y'all can see, I'm gonna give y'all a full walk around. If y'all wonder where my bumper is, if y'all is know, I got the brand new Hellcat bumper, y'all. It's just getting built, y'all. It came in the whole assembly, so everything was piece by piece instead of it being pre-built for me to just slap it right on. So I'm in the process of getting it built. So we're gonna do a installation video on how to put a Hellcat bumper on it. But if y'all was wondering where it's at, I have it charged. But this is just the back side of it. It's tinted, and then I got quad tips if y'all knew. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this, and I'm gonna show y'all what I have before it, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I have after, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what my screen look like now and the functionality of it and what I got in here, y'all. So I got a Z Automotive taser. So I got track pages already. I got SRT pages already. So I got track mode, sport mode, and also custom eco and street mode. So mine's pretty much is like a Scatpack, y'all, but I just pretty much want the newer screen, y'all, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I mean by hopping inside. So when y'all hop inside, let me go ahead and show y'all. Let me make sure my music is muted too. So you cut on the screen, y'all, as y'all can see. Let me click performance. Okay, so as y'all can see, I got the engine, the G-forces, the second page of gauges, the first page of gauges. Well, my coolant ain't gonna turn on because it's not active. My timers, and then you get this screen where you could just pretty much change the picture or the look of how you want your Challenger to look on the screen. And then you can either click Super Track Pack or the SRT modes right there, or either the drive mode button right there, and it'll take you to the SRT pages. So let me show y'all. You could just press this. Oh, it ain't gonna show me, but okay, so let me show you real quick. So boom, as y'all can see, you get custom, sport, track, the race options. I'm just showing y'all everything. The launch mode, the RPM light, the RPM setup, the shift light, and then y'all know just the little paddles to switch it. So custom, and then you can, you know, switch it to how you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out with a Scatpack one, y'all, so y'all gonna see the difference compared from this one to that one. As y'all can see, let me show y'all my little apps and stuff I got so far, and then we're gonna see if we can get a difference, man. Thing we gotta do, y'all, is start off by removing this upper trim, y'all. Let me turn my battery off, car off. You gotta start by taking this upper trim off, y'all. But as y'all can see, I got ambient lights right here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take this out real quick just so I don't damage it as I'm removing this upper trim, so I can get behind it and get the screen out, y'all. Didn't even fully take it out, y'all. I still got it right here plugged in just so I didn't really remove it. But I just took it out and I got it all set in my lap for now. But now what you can do is you should be able to get right behind this, y'all. Y'all see it's lucky, not that hard to get to, but you will want to get like scissors, a flathead, something that you'll be able to use to just get behind this so you can pop the clips out and they don't all clip out all around, y'all. It'll come all out as one piece. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But you get clips all around the edge and then it should just be able to pull right out. Then once you get through, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all gotta get to with the 4 screws around the screen, y'all. While I got it out, it's best to try to use the thing that you would use to get your fender liner out if y'all do got this sitting around, and then something like this if y'all got, or a flathead and something else. You pretty much just need 2 tools, so you can get one up at the top and one up at the bottom, or probably at the same time, y'all. And it should be able to easily pop right out, y'all. Like I said, y'all see the clips just come right out around the top and stuff like that, man. So now we got 1, 2, 3. We got just 3 because it looked like somebody was missing one of my screws, y'all. So we got just 3 screws holding it in, and we're gonna go ahead and see the difference on the new one compared to the old one, man. Y'all, once y'all removed y'all 1, 2, 3, and then 4 screws, y'all should be able to just pull it right forward, y'all. And what I'm gonna do is, before I actually put the whole new one in y'all, is I'm gonna go ahead and plug it up, turn on the car, and then see how it functions real quick before I actually screw this back in, before I put the whole trim in and then it not work how it's supposed to and everything, y'all. So we're gonna see if this actually worked like it's supposed to, then fully put everything back in, man. And we did not actually put it all the way out. Like I said, the best way you're gonna be able to do to get the cords to match up, y'all, is just do this. You literally just take it off. I mean, you just look at it and you match the cord. So you see the gray go with the gray, the biggest cord go with this biggest port, then the yellow go with this yellow, and the white go with this white, y'all. So you pretty much just match up the cords, and then this last red one I go with this red one right here. You match these all up, and then we're gonna see how this new one work compared to the old one, y'all. And as y'all can see, we got it functioning, y'all. So we got the new screen. All we gotta do now, y'all, is I feel like, we probably got the anti-theft on here, y'all. Oh! We probably gotta reset it. We gotta see, y'all, but this is the new Uconnect, y'all. We're gonna see real quick. Yeah, I don't know the anti-theft code, so we're gonna try to figure this out, y'all. If we can't figure out this code, y'all, we might have to chalk this video, y'all, unfortunately, because this mess with the function of your screen. Like, you won't be able to do nothing with it if you don't get this in, y'all. So we're gonna try to see what we can do. Hey, y'all, so we was not able to try to get it in, man. So we is gonna have to unfortunately scrap this video, man. I got the old one back in, y'all, so the new one is gonna be officially chalked, y'all. So we're gonna try to figure out what we can do with the old one. But this is my original screen right here, y'all. But as y'all can see, the new one came with the updated SRT pages, and it came with everything I wanted, man. So I guess we just gonna end this video off right here, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed. In the future, we're gonna go ahead and try to grab a newer one, another one, man. Hopefully that the this one don't have a passcode on it, y'all, because due to the fact that I ain't got a passcode on it, I'll never be able to figure out that code, because it's someone that somebody put on their car when they first got it, y'all. So like I said, we're gonna subscribe this video. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man. We're gonna come back stronger, man, like I said. But make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna end the video off right here, man. Peace.
Look at my racks solid. I see the grass getting long. Snakes, I'm gon' mow it. I'm gon' blow like Brown. Racks on me, I'm so rich. Talk here, top of the morning. I'm in the car, got motion. Big bang roll, can't